Let's take a look at Euro Canada. Euro Canada is interesting. Pop up to the daily real quick, just to get perspective. We're right at structure. Okay, that doesn't help anything. So we're right at a previous level of structure, and it's no surprise that we're consolidating in a similar fashion than that we did before. And this may play out based on today's Canadian news, but this has continuation set up written all over it, because we look at the next structural level, right? We don't have really a directional bias. So in these cases, in any case, I always look at structure being like magnets, right? So I look at these levels right here. Let me see if I have a, we're probably gonna get a VS1. What is this, Euro Canada? 60 minute. We have a level of structure up here, which I would anticipate this is the next place price is gonna go, right? If you look at the recent ebbs and flows of price action here, right? We came down, we retraced a little bit, we came down, we violated that level, nice little rising channel, then we came down and we violated this next level. My anticipation is that we're going to continue higher, right? Currently, we look to be taking a little bit of a break, a breath, and where would that breath likely come to? Well, we have a nice structure shelf right here, and we can stretch that down to, again, the limits being this level right here. So this is a decent continuation opportunity. Again, GDP for Canada coming out a little later today at 10 o'clock, I believe. But a nice opportunity for a potential pullback trade up into that higher level. Now we're a ways away from that, but a nice opportunity to start thinking about, hey, if we come to this level, what is needed? How are you looking for targets? Are you looking for targets based on structure? Are you going to do something like take a Fibonacci extension from swing low to swing high? Yeah. And back down and look for a 127? Or are you going to look for, 127 is going to come right at the bottom of our structure level. 1618 is going to come at the top. Are you going to maybe look for an AB equals CD pattern? We don't have a deep enough retracement to do that yet, but you would take an equal measured move here and then connect it to wherever that retracement comes to. Are you going to bring in some confluence from our previous moves? This swing low, zoop. Sorry, yep, there we go. This swing low to swing high right here. And once again, back down. You have a 1618 lining up right at that 127. This recent swing, a little off there, sorry. Swing low to swing high. Notice anything, guys? Yeah, look at that. So we originally drew out this structure level right here, this zone of where we're anticipating price to go to. We drew out fibs from different levels, right? We drew out Fibonacci's from our smaller, most recent swing, our secondary current swing, our first wave right here. What do we have in this isolated area? We have a 1618 Fibonacci extension, and we have two 127 Fibonacci extensions. Anything else you guys notice? Yep, some good confluence there. There's one more thing. One more thing. Psychological number, even handle number, 146.0, right? Because so we're breaking down our bigger predictive area, and we're breaking it down small and really pinpointing where we want that exit to be at. I didn't bring a Fibonacci retracement in, but it might be a 786 there as well. 786 right in that. I forgot where the low is at. Hold on. It's the sickness. I'm not sharp as I used to be. I'm getting there. Not as sharp as I used to be. I'll get healthy soon. There you go. 786 right in that area as well. And Bat says you can make a case for a Bobby, right? Yeah. Bobby says you can make the case for a bat. There we go. I'm hanging on, guys. I'm trying my best. I appreciate you dealing with me. X to A to B coming into that 50% retracement, B to C retracing right here. I'll measure that to make sure it's a 382, but it looks like it. And then 880, I know this is confusing, and 886 in this area up there as well. Yeah, certainly, certainly can. So, nice area here to look for. Again, we got Canadian GDP coming out a little later today, so that might stir the pot a little bit. But yeah, it would be cool to see a press down into this level. Again, mainly into this, and we have this bigger zone drawn out, mainly into this structure shelf about right here. And similar to the NASDAQ analysis, see if we can get a continuation move back up. Good opportunity here. Any questions?